everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, we are preparing this super obonge Asun jollof rice, and you can see on my table I have my already washed rice, my goat meat already washed, pepper, tomatoes, onions, garlic and ginger, vegetable oil, salt, onions, seasonings, cube, rosemary, thyme and curry. That is what we are going to prepare this our Asun jollof rice with. This is Asun party jollof rice. So first of all, you can see that I've already prepped everything because I like prepping whenever I'm cooking, so it saves me time. What I'm going to do now is to put the meat in the fire, because you know that goat meat takes a lot of time to boil. But my meat has said, Madam, if you buy the male goat, it is always softer than the female one. So I bought the male goat and I presume that it's going to boil so fast for me. So now I'll get my pot and I'll put the meat. I'll season, then put it on the stove. So this is the goat meat we are using. For this, you have to use the fleshy part of the goat meat because you don't need bones. So I'll add some onions. Then I'll add some salt. I'll add rosemary, bouillon cube, thyme and curry. So I'll leave it on the stove, let it boil with its own juice before I add some water. So while the meat is cooking, let me smoke the tomatoes. It's already washed, thoroughly washed. I had to desieve the tomatoes, I don't want to say here. So I'm going to use my air fryer to smoke it, but you can use your oven to do this. I tell you, when you prepare your tomatoes like this before using, this is what you are going to be doing all the time. So after this, I'll now blend it. So I have to remove the seed from the shombo because it's bitter, so I have to take out the seed. So this is it now. I'll now sprinkle some vegetable oil. So I have in here ginger, garlic, onions, shombo, tomatoes and pepper. So now I'll just on the air fryer and let it be smoking. So guys, the tomatoes is roasted. Now it's time for me to blend. But before you put it in your blender, allow it to cool, except you have a very strong blender. Then you can just go ahead and blend as soon as you get it out from the oven or from your air fryer. So my people, the goat meat is already cooked. You have to allow the goat meat to be so soft so that you don't bite the hard skin. So I'll take them and cut into chunky bites. Then fry it or grill it or use your air fryer. So I'm just going to be using my air fryer now. Since I'm cutting, I'm putting the air fryer so it can fry for me. Man, this thing is so hot. Very small. So I'm done slicing, cutting them into chunks, and this is what I have here. So I'll take it to the air fryer so that it can fry for me. So guys, the heat is on. I'm going to add my vegetable oil. So I'll add the onions, let it fry very well. So release all the flavors into the oil. So I'm adding my tomato paste and let it fry very well too, so that that tangy taste won't be there. This is what I want. You can see that the tomatoes is not separating from the oil. That is how you know that the paste has fried very well. So now I'll add in my blended tomatoes pepper, ginger, garlic, and let it fry very, very well too. Water I wash from the blender. So I'll season now. This is my Maggi, curry, bay leaf. Now put chicken seasoning, then my all-purpose seasoning. Then stir very well. Then I'll add my salt. So I'm now adding the thoroughly washed rice and then pour in my mixture, cover and let it start cooking. You fry it very well, let all the ingredients enter into the rice very, very well. Before you add in the meat stock, you have to sieve it to take all the particles, especially if it's turkey that has this strong bone. You can see everything in here now. Okay, there's no bone in this one, so it's okay. So add in some more water and then let it start cooking. So I'll pour in my blended pepper, tomatoes, and ginger. I'll allow this to fry very, very well. I'm adding some curry powder to our sauce, all-purpose seasoning. Stir very well. So this is our fried chunks of goat meat. So I'll pour it into the sauce now. So keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. You can see everything has married very, very well. I like to simmer a bit. Our Asun is ready, so I'll sprinkle some green pepper. If you have spring onions, you can sprinkle it. So the Asun is ready. Guys, if you have been following me and you haven't liked this video, please like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so very much. So guys, sorry I forgot to show you what I did here. When the rice was almost dry, and I used my foil paper to cover it, and now lower the heat so that it will now trap all the steam for it to cook, because you don't only use water to prepare rice, you use steam. That's why I use my foil paper. So I've come to check it now. Okay, I can see that the rice is already dried. Let me check if it's soft. Okay, just press it and yeah, it's okay now. So I'll take out the bay leaf, then I'll pour in the asun. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is awesome, heavenly. Guys, you know what, as I was preparing this my asun rice, some of my friends now came in and said they are lucky that they came and prepared this rice. So you get to see them when the rice is finally cooked, when I'm serving them. So now I'll pour in the asun and now stir everything together. So guys, this is our asun rice, asun jollof rice. Oh boy. Guys, you like what you see? Tell me that you are seeing something so beautiful. You can still have one bay leaf inside here. So our rice is ready. I'm not going to end the video here now because we are going to have something like a semi or small party now because of our guests that just arrived. So I'll end it with them. So guys, this is our asun rice. I'll turn off the heat now, then I'll get back to you people. So guys, I just finished cooking and this is our asun rice. See how fine the face of this rice is there. And those that ate it said the rice is so delicious. So my friends are here, they came to visit. Though I didn't show when they were eating, my friend Sefa, she's eating the afang soup that I prepared. Correct? That is authentic Calabar afang soup that went to Harvard. That's what she's eating while I'm eating the rice.
Then I put the meat, saving the best for the last.
You see? Then Maudogun, Oga of the house, is eating the afang soup too.
The afang soup go Harvard.
So guys, so this is what I've been doing today, and I'm happy that my asun rice came out so well. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.